Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Khalid Iqbal Sandhu. Pakistan is witnessing a surge in poverty, decline in real incomes, and people stand on the edge of survival. Here, we discuss this vicious phenomena of poverty and raise an elegy for the sufferings of the masses of Pakistan. Poverty is a state when an individual has lack of income or resources to meet his or her basic needs or standard of living. According to United Nations, denial of choices and opportunities, a violation of human dignity. In the words of Saghir Siddiqui, मेरी गुर्बत ने उड़ाया है मेरे फ़न का मजाक, मेरी गुर्बत ने उड़ाया है मेरे फ़न का मजाक, तेरी दौलत ने तेरे ऐब छुपा रखे हैं. According to World Bank, a person who lives below the $1 threshold per day is called poor. According to the IPL $3 threshold, global poverty rate in 2026 is 10.1%. If international poverty line threshold is raised to $4.2 per day, then Pakistan's 45% population is below poverty line. Recently, a survey has been released by the Planning Minister Ahsan Iqbal. This survey regarding poverty is based on the international poverty line threshold of $1 per day. According to this, if a Pakistani lives in the scenario when he earns less than 282 rupees per day, then he or she is called poor. According to this survey, poverty has increased to the level of 28.9%. It is 11 years high poverty rate. The real incomes are decreasing and inequality has increased more than 32%, and the people are unemployed and unemployment rate is 7.1%. These indicators are very dismaying that the sufferings and the miseries of the Pakistanis are increasing. Even the Planning Minister Ahsan Iqbal has also admitted that the Pakistanis are under pressure and due to the wrong policy choices. IMF adjustment program has although some good indicators and there are macro imbalances are corrected, but the people are under pressure, their purchasing power is decreasing, and the income inequality has widened, and there is a big gulf between the rich and poor. All these economic indicators are indicating that Pakistanis are losing the economic stability, and their survival and their existence is very difficult. Although there is some good indicators, and even foreign remittances has risen to $40 billion, and there is also positive trend in our exports. but due to the consistent exchange rate depreciation, higher inflation, uh, subsidies withdrawal, and uh, the new levies and expansions of the tax nets, the Pakistanis are uh, compressed, and especially the lower income groups and middle income groups are under the pressure, economic pressure, and they are losing the economic welfare. So there is also good trend in economic growth, but this economic growth is neither inclusive nor employment intensive.